Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 4. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. So firstly, let's begin with entering settings. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now tap on Show Your Data and tap on Unlocks. Here's the list of all apps opened today. For example, today I've opened apps Play Store 41 times today. You can also check for different days, for example, yesterday. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.